Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of vacuum seal bags. Several things I love about them. First of all, you get 3 different sizes, and they actually tell you what size each one is on the bags here, so you know which one you are using and how much you can fit into each individual bag. And you actually get amounts. So you actually get 5 of the 24-inch ones, you get 3 of the 28-inch ones, and then 4 of the 20-inch ones. Now, on top of having that nice information on there, you actually can see on the top you have a double seal, which is really nice to make sure that air kind of stays out and keeps this nice and vacuum sealed. And it is nice and clear on the one side. So when you're putting your items in here, you can actually see everything that goes in there. So let's get a couple of towels in here and we will vacuum seal in a towel. Now, instead of just sitting there pinching, they do give you these nice little closures, and they give you a lot of them because these little guys get lost pretty easy. But all you've got to do is then just hook this thing on there and then slide it across, and it will be sealed up for you without any sort of effort at all. So you just take it and slide it across like so. Now you've got your bag completely sealed up and ready to go. Then, in this nice little carrying case, they do give you a rechargeable, which is fantastic, little vacuum sealer. So it'll suck all the air out. So we're going to take this little thing off here, and that exposes it. And we just line this up with that, and then just simply hit the button. And you can see it going to work. I mean, right away, that is super fast, just sucking all that out. I mean, this is great. It's literally taking all space out of here. So it'll go for about 25 seconds or so. If you see that it's done and you want to take it out before, definitely can do that. You just press the button, take it off, and then all you have to do is put your lid back on, and it takes that massive amount of space and creates very little to make packing, storage, everything a breeze. These are really nice, like the back of it. Nice little bags to have for any purpose.